StudyGram. And if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. The topic for our discussion today will be how to develop courage, self-confidence, and the art of public speaking. When I am called upon to stand up and speak, person after person wrote, I become so self-conscious, so frightened that I can't think clearly, can't concentrate, can't remember what I had intended to say. I want to gain self-confidence, poise, and the ability to think on my feet. I want to get my thoughts together in logical order, and I want to be able to say my say clearly and convincingly before a business or a clubhouse of audience. Thousands of their confessions sounded about like that. It is not a question of my thinking. I know you can. You will, if you will only practice and follow the directions and instructions. Mark Twain, the first time he stood up to lecture, felt as if his mouth were filled with cotton and his pulse was speeding for some prize cup. Charles Stewart Parnell, the great Irish leader, at the outset of his speaking career, was so nervous, according to the testimony of his brother, that he frequently clenched his fist until his nails sank into the flesh and his palms bled. If your desire is pale and flabby, your achievements will also take on that hue and consistency. But if you can go after your subject with persistence and with the energy of a bulldog after a cat, nothing underneath the Milky Way will defeat you. It will give you a sense of strength, a feeling of power. It will appeal to your pride of personal accomplishment. It will set you off from and raise you above your fellow men. But most importantly, you should know thoroughly what you are going to talk about. Act as if we were brave. Use all our will to that end, and courage wit will very likely replace the fit of the fear. In every clime, men have always admired courage. So, no matter how your heart may be pounding inside, stride forth bravely, stop, stand still, and act as if you loved it. Draw yourself up to your full height. Look at your audience straight in the eyes and begin to talk as confidently as if every one of them owed you money. Imagine that they did. Imagine that they have assembled there to beg you for an extension of credit. The psychological effect on you will be beneficial. Do not nervously button and unbutton your coat. Play with your beads or fumble with your hands. If you must make nervous movements, place your hands behind your back and twist your fingers there where no one can see the performance, or wiggle your toes. So, take the offensive against your fears. Go out to meet them, battle them, conquer them by sheer boldness at every opportunity. Then, talk as if you were determined to say it. Do that, and the chances are 10 to 1 that you will soon be master of the occasion and master of yourself. The first way, the last way, the never-failing way to develop self-confidence in speaking is to speak. Really, the whole matter finally simmers down to but one essential: practice, practice, and practice. This is largely a matter of habit, in the sense of repeated effort and repeated exercise of willpower. If the man has the right stuff in him, he will grow stronger and stronger with each exercise. Fear is begotten of ignorance and uncertainty. And what causes that? It is the result of not knowing what you can really do. And not knowing what you can do is caused by a lack of experience. When you get a record of successful experience behind you, your fears will vanish. They will melt like night mists under the glare of a July sun. One thing is certain. The accepted way to learn to swim is to plunge into the water. Choose your subject, preferably one on which you have some knowledge, and construct a 3-minute talk. Practice the talk by yourself a number of times. Then give it, if possible, to the group for whom it is intended, or before a group of friends, putting into the effort with all your force and all your power. Thank you, friends. We hope you liked this video and it was useful. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon.